From the given question for the method of moment, we can show if theta estimate is unbiased for theta. Yes, we can determine or we show if theta estimate is unbiased for the given value, which is 2 over 3 x. So we should recall that x bar is equal to 1 all over n summation of xi as I running from 1 to n. And we should also note that the value we got for our theta estimate is 3 all over 2 x bar. We also note that what we got for the expected value of x bar, what we got for the expected value of x bar is 2 theta all over 3. So how can we show or how can we determine if the estimator, which is this theta we got, how can we determine if it is biased or unbiased? So this brings us to unbiasedness. It then means that we are to show that the expectation of theta estimate is equal to theta. But first, let's go through this. We can recall that the expectation of x bar is equal to the expectation of 1 all over n summation of I running from 1 to n xi, which is the same thing as 1 all over n summation of the expectation of xi as I running from 1 to n. Of course, if we sum a constant, we get n. So we have here to be equal to 1 all over n multiplied by n multiplied by what we got as our expected value of xi. So what we got as our expected value of x is 2 theta all over 3. So if this n cancel this n, we'll get 2 theta all over 3 as our expected value, of x bar, as our expected value of x bar. Now, we are also to check the expectation of theta bar to give us theta. If we can show this, then it means that the estimator is unbiased. So we move over to this other side. So we recall that the expectation of theta bar, is equal to, now we'll ask ourselves, what did we get as our theta bar? What is our theta bar? So our theta bar is equal to the expectation, nothing has changed. What is our theta bar? Our theta bar is 3 all over 2 x bar. Our theta estimate is 3 all over 2 x bar, which is the same thing as we bring out the constant. So we'll have 3 all over 2, then expectation of x bar. Now we'll ask ourselves, what is x bar? What is x bar? Our x bar is 2 theta all over 3. So we have it to be equal to 3 all over 2. What is expectation of x bar? Expectation of x bar is 2 theta all over 3. So we have multiplied by 2 theta all over 3. Of course, this will cancel this and this will cancel this, which gives us theta. So it then means that the expected value of theta estimate is equal to theta. So since our expected value of theta estimate is equal to theta, it then means that the estimator for this is unbiased. So we write, since our expectation for theta estimate is equal to theta, it means that the estimator of theta equal to 3 all over 2 x bar, sorry, x is unbiased. So this is how to show or to determine unbiasedness of an estimator. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.